Hey guys, welcome to another rebuild with my man Sony. As always, this is Yamaha XT600. He just did a whole engine rebuild on it. Tell the guys, what do you put in the engine? You said the new comes.
It's got a big bow kit.
Yeah.
So 660.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Put all brand new valves.
Yeah.
Brand new valves. Pretty much a new piston.
Yeah.
Say that is
Ignition
new,
switch.
brand new ignition switch with a motos ECU.
Oh,
Brand new
motos ECU.
That's the old one, huh?
This is the
That's
old
the
ECU.
old one. So we put a reprogrammable ECU now, huh?
Alright.
Brand new battery.
Brand new battery.
Indicator is brand new.
Brand new indicators.
Yeah, we did a whole
custom
complete fork rebuild. Although we got pictures for them.
Alright.
Yeah, so I'll send them
Oh,
all pictures.
a new rebuild for the forks.
Yes.
We're fitting in new foot pegs. Yeah, these aluminum weighs like nothing. So light. Sony, what is this? What is this?
That's my bike I'm rebuilding for Concours.
What bike is this, man? What is this? It's so beautiful, man.
Yeah, I'm doing a cafe rebuild
Yeah.
on it.
Another Yamaha
That's an XS400.
XS400. Which year is it?
It's an 81 model.
1981. So what changes have you done to this thing?
I chopped the rear frame.
Yeah.
All these are new welds to make the frame stronger.
Oh, all right.
I've added a cross member.
Yeah.
Another cross member to hold the
start
seat
hold
in,
the seat,
properly. Yeah.
All right.
I modified the front fender
Yeah.
from a TVS Star.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Bent down the steering. I got
Steering.
all original parts from eBay.
Looks like wannabe clip-ons.
Yeah. One clip-ons.
Yeah.
So it's still process butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Butter
All right.
process.
All right.
So I got the original tank. I got the original engine. I got the original exhaust.
Yeah.
And that's a Motard.
All right.
Motard exhaust, yeah. Original for UK market.
All right.
Yeah, so still parts, finding them slowly.
Oh, you've had it for long so
I've
far?
had it for say 5-6 years now.
All right.
But I got it as a shell,
Yeah.
so I found all the parts easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are modified ignition cables.
Yeah.
Yeah, lids. Came off my old car, Daewoo Lanos.
Ah, okay.
Right.
Okay.
So it's a mix and match of car parts and bike parts.
Yeah. So you've said once the rebuild is done, you're taking it to some vintage.
We're taking it for Concours d'Elegance.
We'll be there, guys. We'll be there. But today the focus is on this Yamaha 600 Tonera. Beautiful sumo.
So that's an EFI model,
Yeah. All right.
and it's got a 5-valve engine.
Ah,
Yeah,
that's beautiful.
sure is, bro.